Hi, I'm Larry Gregory from Microsoft here at BizSpark Incubation Week in Atlanta, Georgia. I am joined by CoreMotives, both Rhett and Jeremie. Why don't we start by telling us a little bit about the solution that you're building?
Well, we have a marketing solution that integrates with Microsoft CRM, allows our customers to detect, track, and target potential customers.
Okay, and does that mean it's an XRM solution?
Yeah, I think you can say that. Definitely, we are leveraging the power of Microsoft CRM and the fact that it's extremely flexible and extensible. So it allowed us not to have to rewrite this whole module, but rather simply extend that platform.
Okay, well, let's get into what the customer scenario is. How would I, as an information worker, use this? I assume that's who you're targeting.
We're targeting both marketing professionals and sales groups as well. Okay. So on the marketing side, you would use our solution to track the success of your various campaigns. And a campaign can be a pay-per-click, a banner ad, it can be an email marketing campaign, or it could be just various landing pages on your website. So these are a few examples of what we call campaigns. And our solution will track the success, the interactions that people have with those various campaigns, how many people land on those pages, how many people will open your email, how many people will download a white paper from your website, things like that, and then allow you to get some metrics about all of those campaigns.
So the end users would be salespeople and marketing people?
That's right.
And who would buy it? Who would be the purchaser of this? Would it be like the department head sales managers that you would sell to and marketing managers, or is it further up in the organization?
It would be sales and marketing managers that would purchase our solution. And it would be so that their marketing group knows what's working as a campaign, and their salespeople know who to talk to.
Okay.
Because we really pare it down from the actual campaign itself into specifically who should I be talking to, their phone number, every detail.
And how did you get to the point of concluding that this is a valuable space to go after?
Well, we've been working in this marketing. I was a marketing director for a software company for many years using Microsoft CRM. And there were some things that I wanted to do that I couldn't really do. And I think Jeremie had a similar experience. And so we saw this gap, and we have put our heads together and come up with a really cool solution that fits that.
Excellent, excellent. So let's talk about the technology. What's under the hood? Sure.
Well, our solution is in the cloud. And so for our customers, there's zero footprint, no software to install, so that solves a lot of support headaches, both on our end, but also on the customer end, there's nothing to install. But the reason why we're here this week is because it quickly became evident to us that our solution was not scalable. We were looking for a platform, a new platform that would allow us to grow to several hundred and several thousand customers. And so that's why we came here this week to migrate our solution from our current simple hosting solution online to the Azure platform.
Okay. Is there anything either this week or more broadly that you would share as advice for developers or entrepreneurs that might be watching?
Well, think before you start. If you're going to have a solution like ours that will gather a lot of data, a lot of information, and kind of crunch those numbers into more easily understandable format for your customer, really think about how the platform that will track all that data, and can it support all the traffic that you're going to get. I think it became really clear to us very quickly that the platform that we originally selected would not scale. I mean, it's fine for now, but we know that less than 6 months from now, it will not scale. And so that's why it's so critical to us to utilize a platform such as Azure, which has infinite scalability.
Okay, good.
Yeah, think about where you are, think about where you want to be, and leverage those technologies that can get you there. And for us, it certainly was leveraging Microsoft CRM as our platform, and then leveraging Azure as the scalable engine that feeds our whole process. So any entrepreneur really needs to think about that. And you don't want to be out there recreating the wheel. You want to take, I've got an idea, I have this customer base over here, how am I going to get from here to there quickly?
Yep. Excellent. Well, I wish you both the best during Incubation Week. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, so I would like to show you the CoreMotives Marketing Suite, which enables you to detect, track, and target your potential customers. So the first thing I will do is I will simulate a prospect searching for a product on the internet. So in this scenario, we've gone in and we've typed Microsoft CRM Marketing, and here you'll see that there's a Google AdWord that is representative of that. So I will click this AdWord, and from here your prospect would see your page, your presence, and maybe they would play a particular video that you have, or they would take a look at other pages on your website. So what we'll do now is we will take the perspective of a person that is using our solution, and what would happen is that experience, that interaction from that prospect will be trapped and tracked over in Microsoft CRM. Microsoft CRM is a place where you can store all of this kind of information on prospects and leads and customers. And here we have a look at all the web page views. And you can see that in this scenario that I am Bob Smith, and I have clicked the Google AdWords campaign, and that's tracked back into CRM so that I can keep that perspective. Now, what if I wanted to take a look at my campaigns in general, and how are my campaigns performing? This is a CRM view which shows all of the different campaigns that are being tracked over time and which ones of those are most effective. I could also take a look at things like keyword searches. What are the most popular keywords that people are searching on over time? And from there, we get a full picture if we take a look at our dashboard of what exactly is happening. How many visitors are interacting with our information? Are they known or are they anonymous? How effective have we been at compelling them to tell us more about who they are? And maybe in particular different campaigns that I've set up, whether those be on Google AdWords or LinkedIn or YouTube or Facebook, we're able to detect and track and target that and remarket to those people throughout the entire life cycle of them as a prospective customer into a recurring customer. So thank you very much for your time, and you can check us out at CoreMotives.com.